and the trajectory is Viksit Bharat by 2047. Sir, where there's free will and democracy, if something good is happening, they want a reputation. And we saw in the elections, once again, third time, Modi government, sir. Same thing with the budget, sir. We had a good budget in the past, and before that, and the country is in the direction of from 10th to 5th. Again, the same thing is repeated. And the stock markets and the economies of our finance minister budget has reflected in these markets, sir. Never before such continuity of progress in economy was there despite COVID, sir. Sir, I do not have much time. I realize I'll just cover 2-3 important points, sir, especially what the opposition has been accusing us. Sir, the opposition has been accusing us, आप एक ही राष्ट्र, दो ही राष्ट्र का नाम बोले. You have not mentioned other states. Sir, I have read the budgets from 2047 till now, sir, and here, 1947 till now, sir. First budget, Shanmugam, Avangal, then John Methoi, and also the finance ministers that time, Jawaharlal Nehru ji was a finance minister, Indira Gandhi ji was a finance minister, Rajiv Gandhi ji was a finance minister, Morarji Desai, all these eminent speakers, sir. Nobody mentioned any state till 1970, sir. This is a national budget. It's not a roll call of states. The first time they mentioned state was Indira Gandhi ji in 1970. It's about the nation side, it's not about individual states. Because if the nation gets, each and every state also gets. The second accusation, sir, that there's nothing in the budget, nothing for healthcare, nothing for children, nothing for Kisan. The budget is exactly for these, sir. But the allegation, aaropan ye hai ki our finance minister did not use the word children in the budget, sir. Sir, one of our former great prime minister, he is endeared to children. They even called him Chacha. The Chacha's speech also, as a finance minister, the children word was not there. Does it mean a state name or a children name is not there? It is not. It is not. There's nothing in the budget. There's something for everything. There's a lot for everything, sir. The third accusation is, this is really hilarious, sir. The third accusation is they are copying us. So is it good if we copy the ideas? Budget takes ideas from everybody. So are they saying the ideas are bad? So this is the classic example of confused Congress, sir, both in the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. If they are saying, is it good or bad? So middle class, sir, the taxation, everyone is getting almost 17,500 rupees additional savings, sir. So the proof is in the results, sir, not in the accusations of the opposition party, sir. So one more very important issue for us, sir. So we are from Telangana, sir. We have 8 MPs. They put up posters. Our friends from Congress put up posters there saying that 8 MPs are there, nothing. So once again, the confused Congress. So should everything go to Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh where there are a lot of MPs? Again, confused Congress, sir. Number of MPs has nothing to do with what the budget comes. So total confused. So they are going around with the anda, sir. So just briefly, sir, I want to thank the central government, finance ministry for the largesse that she has bestowed upon Telangana, sir. As we are speaking, 31,000 crores worth of railways work, doubling, electrification station, Charlapalli. Sir, Secunderabad railway station, 700 crores, and now we are getting, sir. All these years, what Congress gave is 5 crores for whitewash. It's not for whitewash, sir. Literally, it's a eyewash. 5 crore दिया, 700 crore दिए. वो whitewash नहीं होता, वो eyewash है Congress का. ऐसा ही 1 lakh crores of national highways is going on. Wagon factory we have given, but they have not given 10 acres of land because the wagon factory has to be connected to the tracks. In between, the Telangana government, Congress government has not. They think that wagons can jump, it has wings. So many issues, sir. Centrally sponsored scheme, no matching grants. We are doing MMTS, 50% state, 50% center. And I should thank Ashwini Vaishnavji. Despite of state not giving anything, they are doing it, sir. Sir, just 2-3 minutes, sir. We have given names under the bifurcation, Tribal University, Horticulture University. NTPC, 4,000 crores we have given, sir. 4,000 megawatts. They are unable to utilize, sir. MNREGE scheme. It used to be 150 rupees, just 2 minutes, sir, 150. And now it is 300. Every penny is going.
1 minute.
Just 1 minute, sir. And they are mentioning Kisan ki aaye dugne, sir. In Telangana villages 10 years back, गांव में 4 मोटरसाइकिल रहते थे साहब. अब 400 मोटरसाइकिल्स है हर गांव में because of MSP has doubled from 1,300 to 2,300. Productivity yields have increased. Fertilizer subsidy almost 90% they are giving, sir. And we are procuring almost 22,000 crores of paddy from Telangana. Today, Telangana is surviving because of central government support, sir. We have given in their own finance minister had told we have given 35,000 crores. They got 35,000 crores from the center, but they are angry that 15,000 crores went to Andhra. 9,000 crores.
Conclude.
Yes, sir. Last week. Today, Telangana is surviving whether the electricity is there, water in the Nalla is there, or diesel in the RTC. It is because 9,000 crores beyond the FRBM, central government approved in January, sir. Uske baad February 3,000 crores. Again in March 4,000 crores. Today Telangana is surviving because, sir, just last 1 minute, sir. The Telangana state-owned revenue 23 was 1,35,000 crores, sir. 55,000 crores for salary, 80,000 crores for loans. There's nothing in their pockets except for the largesse that come from. Of course, it's not your fault. It's the previous government. But you tell
Let us have you address to the chair.
Sorry, sir.
Don't look at that side.
Sorry, sir. So today, Telangana government is surviving because of central government support, and I thank everyone who put up posters there. I thank that on behalf of, as an Indian citizen, I thank the finance minister, but more importantly, as an MP representing Telangana, I thank the finance ministry for her largesse shown to us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.